Hello everyone, my name is John Ray B. De La Cruz from BSHM3J. What is carbohydrates and protein? Carbohydrates and proteins are two essential macronutrients that play vital roles in our bodies. Carbohydrates ay nagpo-provide ng energy sa ating katawan. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and transporting nutrients. Both carbohydrates and proteins are essential for good health, and it's important to get enough of both in our diet. What is the importance of these nutrients within our body? Ang mga carbohydrates ay nagbibigay ng energy na kailangan ng ating katawan para function ng maayos, especially for brain activity. They also spare protein for its essential roles. Ang mga protein ay mahalaga para sa pagbuo at pag-aayos ng mga tissue, producing enzymes and hormones, supporting the immune system, and maintaining fluid balance. What carbohydrates and proteins are essential for maintaining good health? Mahalagang kumain ng balancing diet na may kasamang sapat na dami ng parehong macronutrients upang matugunan ang mga pangangailangan ng iyong katawan. What are the associated diseases if an individual is lacking or excessive with these nutrients? Carbohydrate deficiency. Hypoglycemia. Ang kondisyon ito ay nangyayari kapag ang blood sugar level ay bumababa ng masyadong mababa. Kadalasan, dahil sa hindi sapat na paggamit ng carbohydrates, ketosis, nutrient deficiencies, constipation, carbohydrates excess, obesity, ang pagkakaroon ng mas maraming calories than the body, tooth decay, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, protein deficiency, kwashiorkor. Ito ay isang malubhang anyo ng malnutrisyon ng protina na ilalarawan sa pamamagitan ng edema, isang distended sa tiyan at mga sugat sa iba pa. What are the other information that people must know regarding these carbohydrates and protein nutrients? Carbohydrates and proteins are essential macronutrients, and understanding their roles beyond basic energy and building blocks is crucial for optimal health. Carbohydrates, glycemic index, and glycemic load. The GI measure how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Food with a high GI are rapidly digested and can cause blood sugar spikes, potentially leading to insulin resistance and other health issues. Fiber dietary. Fiber is a type of carbohydrates that the body cannot digest. It's essential for digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and regulating blood sugar levels. Simple versus complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates like sugar are quickly digested and provide a rapid burst of energy. Carbohydrate storage. Excess carbohydrates are stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Proteins. Essential amino acid. There are 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce and must be obtained through diet. Protein quality. The quality of protein refers to its digestibility and the amount of essential amino acid it contains. Protein storage. The body does not store excess protein. Protein in muscle growth. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Thank you.